Hi, my name is Andrew Trolio, and I'm a test engineer at New Age Industries. Today I'll be showing you how to install a Pureloc fitting. It's a compression fitting made from PFA fluoropolymer and works best with semi-rigid and rigid tubing materials like fluoropolymer, nylon, polyethylene, and polypropylene. A compression fitting is a multi-part fitting. It works by compressing or squeezing the point at which the tubing, fitting body, ferrule, gripper, and nut meet. The fitting does its work on the outside of the tube as opposed to the inside, like a barb style fitting. Because of this, the tubing's wall and durometer must be sturdy enough to hold the external pressure being applied by the ferrule. New Age recommends a minimum wall thickness of 1/16 of an inch, but keep in mind that the tubing material matters as well. In general, compression fittings do a better job of sealing than push-to-connect fittings, but the added complexity of the installation and the material and installation costs are definite considerations. A Pureloc fitting needs to be assembled in a certain order on the tubing to work correctly and ensure a tight, leak-free connection. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the four parts of the fitting: the body, the ferrule, the gripper, and the nut. The first step to a good connection is to cut the tubing cleanly at a 90-degree angle. That will ensure it sits correctly at the fitting's body. The next step is to slide the nut onto the tubing. After that comes the gripper. The smaller end of the gripper faces the nut that was just put on. The ferrule follows with the larger end facing the gripper. Now you're ready to place the tubing into the fitting's body. Push the tubing in as far as it will go. Then you'll slide the components together and thread the nut onto the body. You'll need to tighten the nut by hand and then further tighten it with a wrench at least one additional turn. But avoid over-tightening. That can lead to deformed components and failure of the connection. Pureloc PFA compression fittings are well suited for corrosive environments and to applications where contamination-free systems are used, such as semiconductor manufacturing, chromatography equipment, food and beverage processing, laboratories, medical and biomedical industries, and chemical transfers. Pureloc fittings are not an inexpensive item. Their cost is higher than other styles of fittings, and more than compression fittings in other materials like stainless steel, but certain applications call for them. New Age stocks Purelocs in a dozen styles, including elbows, reducers, T's, connectors, and adapters. If you have any questions or need help deciding what type of fitting or tubing is the best choice for your application, give us a call or go to the Contact Us tab on the website to send an email. We'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.